Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is update 5 of the Wealthsimple TFSA Portfolio Challenge. I'm trying to grow my portfolio up to $100,000. So if you've been following along, this is week number 5 on the update. Now we had kind of actually not a bad week. We've been kind of teetering up and down a little bit on the portfolio. It is very new, so we're going to see some. We're not going to see a ton of growth on this as we start to build a portfolio, but we are starting to see, which was kind of some good news to end the week. We did see an increase on one of our growth stocks. So let's jump into the portfolio and we will show you where we stand. This is the update number 5. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to grow my Wealthsimple TFSA portfolio from 0 all the way up to $100,000. This is update 5. It would be great to have you follow along. Let's jump in the portfolio and we'll show you how the update went for the week, and then we will give a update for our all-time performance on the portfolio. All right, here we go. This is as in the last 3 months, we've been just going for just over 1 month, but we are up 1%. So a grand total of $13.23, which is kind of nice to see. It's always nice when things are up. We had kind of an up and down week, but we'll jump into each individual stocks and we can kind of look here. So for the last day, this was last Friday on the market, we were down $2, but it says 0%, but that's okay because we actually had a pretty good week. We were actually back up $27.29. So that gives us a total. We have got a 1 month. In the past month, we're up 1%, $20.49. But in all time now, we have just been going for just under 3 months. So these were all going to be the same numbers, but all time performance, we're at 1%, which is good for portfolios just kind of starting out. We're up $13.23. We're going to start to see some more dividends coming through some of our dividend stocks. So this will slowly start to build. And as we add more deposits when I can, that will start to build a portfolio as well. So pretty happy so far for just going for just over a month. That is kind of good. So let's go see. Actually, this is what our growth stock that did quite well was Cineplex. Let's jump into this one because we were actually down on this one. If you've been watching the channel in the past, we were actually down on Cineplex for a little bit, but as you can see in the past week, we were actually up 6.63%. So it's kind of coming back, and we have 15 shares of this, and for all time we were actually up 6.52% for $12.85. So that's kind of nice to see. I think this one, I'm still optimistic that as things start to open up in Canada here, people will want to hopefully go see movies, and will start to grow in Cineplex. So we'll keep adding to this in our portfolio as we go. Our other growth stocks aren't doing as quite as well as we'll see here. We do have the Greenlane Renewables. We are down 8.93%. Just over $18 on that one. That's okay. I think this one is more of a long-term investment, and I think we'll see some growth into this stock as we go. We'll keep adding this. This isn't a majority holding of our portfolio, so we're going to add a little bit into that. What our main focus on is dividend. So this one is RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. We'll keep adding to this. Right now we have 20 shares. So with our next deposit, we'll be putting more in. We're up 3%, 3.10% for $12.70 on the portfolio so far. So that's good. This one seems to go well. We'll be getting a dividend from this one this month, as well as getting a dividend from the TransAlta, which is the renewable energy company that I think is going to see some dividend growth, but also some appreciation in the share price. It always seems to kind of hover around $18.50 to $19.50. We are down a little bit, 4.57%, but this is going to give us regular monthly dividends. It's going to be nice. We're down $10.94, but we'll start to get some more dividends, and as we get another deposit, if the price is down, we can average our price down because this is again a long-term investment portfolio. This is our last growth stock on this one, which is Solar Alliance Energy. It's a solar installation company out of the United States. It is trading 30 cents. Not doing too well there. We are actually down 18.11%, but we don't own a lot of shares of these, and being only 30 cents, I'm not too worried about this one. Our portfolio total value is $12.69. So what I kind of do with solar, this one is when we get a dividend, I don't have enough to buy a full stock with my deposits or just dividends of, say, TransAlta or the RioCan. What I'll do is kind of use this to put the extra funds, just to kind of put them to use. I will buy 1 or 2 shares of Solar Alliance Energy, just to kind of use up the available funds to trade on that one. And I think for long term, I think will hopefully be a good, might come up a little bit. The last one we have, this is our majority holding actually for price. We are the Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield. This is an index ETF, and we're up on this one too. So 3.94%. We're up $17.94, which is nice to see. This one is pretty consistent. I think for this one, we're going to have dividends coming through as well this month, which is nice. So we're going to see the portfolio starting to grow, and as we get some more funds to be able to put into the portfolio, we will add it to this and build our positions with some more Vanguard, the VDY stock, the TransAlta Renewable RNW, and the RioCan. Those are the three that I'm kind of basically focusing on, and we'll put probably buy a couple more shares from the Cineplex with the growth stock as well. All right, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, again, please consider subscribing, following along. And also, if you are a YouTuber that has a channel and you are doing a Wealthsimple trade portfolio challenge on your channel, I would love to know what your channel is down below. So leave me a comment with your channel. I'll go head on over, give you a follow. It's always nice to see what other people are choosing in their portfolio, learning about investing, and I would love to follow you along as well. So that's it for this update. Thanks for watching. This was update 5 of the Wealthsimple TFSA Trade Portfolio Challenge. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of the weekend. I will see you in the next update.